So in this video we're gonna be talking about another website that we can use to get CPABUILD traffic or CPABUILD conversions, which meaning we will get money on CPABUILD using this website Rapidworkers. So what is Rapidworkers? Here is a quick definition about this website. So Rapidworkers is a website that get used by people that are willing to make some money online, so they are ready to complete some online tasks, and some people that have some work and they want this work get done by other people. So this website is a marketplace. You can take your CPA offers as online tasks and list them on this website, and then you say on this website that you are ready to pay something like, say, let's see your CPA offer paying you something like $3, and in this website you list your CPA offer for $1, meaning that after somebody complete your CPA offer you will pay him $1, but you will get paid from CPABUILD or another CPA network that are you working with. You're gonna get paid something like $2 or $3 or $5. It depends on the niche or on the format of the website or the CPA offer, basically. So as you can see right here, this website is Rapidworkers. Tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it's simply works. So as you can see right here, you can post your blog about your product. You can post reviews to websites and blogs as an employer. Added you to Facebook, become a fan of your group, follow you on Twitter, dig your website, and much more. So when we sign up on Rapidworkers, we will see something like this. So right here we have a lot of online tasks. Actually, I think something like thousands. Look how many tasks I have right here. And there are a lot of tasks on many different geographics, meaning that people are actually using this website to list their CPA offers. So as you can see right here with this one, you see that sign up and earn $500 Amazon gift card every day. What do you think about this one? This is a CPA offer. So this person is paying only $20, only 20 cents, I'm sorry. Imagine, this offer is paying something like $2.50, and he is just paying each one complete this offer for 20 cents. How much money this person makes in profit? There is a huge amount of profit this person is making actually. And he said that this task takes only 10 minutes, which is, yes, it's only take less than 10 minutes. It's just an email sign up. And as you can see, he wants only 50 or 15, and he get 3 conversions. So as you can see, this person gets 3 conversions, as you can see right here. 3 conversions meaning something like $7 or $8. And he pay only something like 60 cents for $8. You know how much money you can make using this website? You can make a lot of money if you know how to use it. Because just make sure, because this is the biggest problem, or this is the only problem with this trick or with this method, is CPA networks are not familiar with this kind of websites that are you paying all the people money to complete your CPA offers. And to get rid of that, or to avoid this problem, I recommend for you one thing. I recommend for you to use a landing page and to use a tracker. And this tracker don't allow the CPA network to know the traffic source. Okay, something like BMob. You can use BMob traffic or you can use BMob tracker, CPA tracker, or tracker to track your traffic first, and secondly to hide your traffic source. Okay, because all of these people are hiding their traffic sources, because otherwise they will get banned from the CPE network they are using, right? So make sure, please don't use this method with your account on CPE, I don't know, with your CPE network, and after getting banned, or after getting, you know, after the ban, you will start commenting that I give you some wrong advice or something like that. No, all the time make sure you are following the rules, and make sure you are protecting yourself to not lose your money. Okay. And the second thing is why I'm sharing this kind of strategy, because you don't have anything to lose. You are paying right here money only if someone complete your CPE offer. So you will lose nothing. It's not like running Facebook ads or Instagram ads or something like pop advertising or pop traffic ads. It's consuming money and you get no conversions yet, and you still losing money. But with this strategy, you will not lose anything. You are actually paying for what are you getting, right? So you get first, then you pay. This is how it works. If you get no conversions, it's not a problem, because you don't lose any money. But on Facebook or some other traffic sources that are people using for CPA marketing, you have to lose some money at the beginning, to get some traffic, to understand what is going on, and to optimize your campaigns and everything. That all of this shit that consume, a lot of time. But with this strategy, there is nothing to lose. Just try it. If it works, it's good. It's a win. But if it doesn't work, it's not a loss, because you don't lose your money. And as you can see right here, here's another one for PS5. This one is on Spain. Spain, he is paying 25 cents. So as you can see, I think something like almost 100% of these offers or gigs or works or jobs are listed right here are CPE offers. So that's why I said it works, because other people are using it to get money from this strategy. So make sure all the time to follow the rules. As I said, use a tracker. This tracker should allow you to clock your landing page or to hide your traffic source, so this way you are working safely with your CPE network and you will get paid with no problem. So that was everything for today's video. If you get some value from this video, or if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That was everything for today's video. See you in the next video.